Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to use up the last of this hamburger meat that's been in the fridge. So I don't know how much this is. It was 2¼ pounds and it's less than half. But I don't want it to go bad, so I have to cook it. So I got some hamburger helper, double cheeseburger macaroni. So I'm just going to use one packet out of here. So, and I'll be using my Presto electric skillet. So let me lower this. You want to say hi to the honeys? Come on. Come on. Okay, bye then. Stay over there. Okay, I'm going to lower this some more. Okay, this is my Presto electric skillet. Okay. I'm going to put this heating element in it. That's what that looks like, and has these settings on here. Goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I usually start out cooking at 300, then I turn it down. Push that in there. Now I'm going to plug it in. And I have this sitting on a placemat so it'll move freely on my counter. Okay, I'm going to start out by, I'm going to turn it on to 300. It don't take but a few minutes to get hot. You use this very lean ground beef. It's 93.7. So you got to be dipping out no grease. Use the leanest beef possible. And I just got a little. You should be surprised at what you can do with a little bit of ground beef and some pasta. There have been times when I've made helper before. No meat, just helper. Breaking it up some. Get start cooking quicker. Clean my hands. This is the big box with 2 packs in here. So you got 2 packs of noodles and soft mix. I don't buy milk, so I ain't putting no milk in it. It always calls for milk if it's cheesy. Let me see if this calls for milk. Yep, it calls for 2 cups of milk and 1 1/3 cups of water. Hot water. Here's the packet. Sauce mix. Electric skillet cooks good. It's easy to clean. Let it cook. Some water up in here. And don't use my hydrant water because We have to buy water, or drinking water. 1 1/3 cups plus 2 1/2 cups of milk. I put that much. I don't use no recipe, y'all. I just cook. Oh, put that over there. Stuff flying around. Dust. Now I don't season my ground beef until after it's done. Especially if I'm fixing chili or something with chili powder or taco seasoning. Anything that's going to color the meat. And I can't tell if it's done or not. This is a little bit of meat. And I'm going to make it work. Don't have to work. It goes back. I was not going to let it go bad. I don't use any metal utensils in my cookware. I ain't messing up my finish. Cook the ground beef. I don't have to drain it. There's no grease.
What? I ain't going nowhere.
Cook.
I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere.
Stir in water, milk, 1 pouch. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna turn this fire down. Way down to warm. Could have had this in the microwave. It says hot water. I'll put a little extra seasoning in it. Garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt. I'm going to use some Worcestershire sauce. Jazz it up some. Didn't put any oil in here because this makes its own oil, even though it was very lean. What I got in here? Nothing. There's some, whoops, Italian seasoning. No salt in here. Some of this sunshine seasoning. Let's cover the brown sunshine. No salt in it. It's just good stuff. And you can use as much or as little as you want to. Just good stuff in it. Let me see. This ain't really hot. Put that shoe down, little boy. Fire back on. 300. Add the seasoning packet.
You hungry?
It's cheesy. Stir this. everything. So it just fell out on the counter. Oops. Okay, let me let y'all see how this looks. It's gonna start bubbling again. Just a minute. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna have to cut the fire off, so it's gonna start bubbling again. The bowl is up there in the other bowls. So it's got to cook down. The liquid will cook down. I'm cooking for a few minutes, and I did use all that water. I put in about a half a teaspoon of my chicken bouillon powder. Okay. Okay. The noodles are al dente. And I'm going to put in some cheese. Some of this. So I'm going to put this back on my tripod. Okay. Turn this down. Okay, that's good. Put the lid on. And this skillet has a little divot right here for the spoon to fit in here with the lid on. Okay, so I'm going to turn it to warm because it's basically done. The cheese just has to melt. I'll be back. Okay, this is how it looks. Ooh, the steam. That's how it looks. Cheese has melted. So I'm going to scoop up some. It's still juicy. Could have a salad with it, but I'm just going to eat this. That's enough meat. Meat to macaroni ratio. Okay, I'm getting ready to do a taste test. It's really piping hot. Okay. Good way to use up your leftover ground beef before it goes bad. With just a little bit of meat, utilize it and whatever else you got to throw in there with it. This is a hearty meal. Like I said, I got some salad in there. If somebody want to make it more well-rounded. Seasoned good, tastes good. The macaroni is al dente. Hamburger is good. I don't miss the milk that they say I'm supposed to put in there. I didn't have it, so I couldn't put it in there. So, this is good. This is delicious. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.